Cooking with Emmy. Today we're going to be making a quesadilla. Okay, so the ingredients you will need are a tortilla, any cheese you like. Today I'm going to be using some sliced sharp cheddar and Swiss. So our first step is to grab out a tortilla and put it into our pan. And don't turn on the stove yet. And then after you put it on your pan, grab out some cheese. So you put a piece of cheese on you only are gonna put your cheese on half of the tortilla, because once you're done putting on your cheese, we're gonna fold it in half. Okay, now that we put all of our cheese on, I'm gonna fold my tortilla in half and then move it to the middle. And now we're gonna turn on the stove. And then now let it cook until the side that is not facing up is golden brown. Now that our tortilla is golden brown, we're gonna flip it so that the other side can cook. There we go. And now you're gonna let the other side cook until it's golden brown. And whenever you're cooking something and one side is already cooked, the other side won't take as long to cook. Now that our quesadilla is done cooking, turn off the stove. And now grab out it with your spatula and put it on. And there you go. That's how you make a quesadilla. Thanks for watching Cooking with Emmy. Make sure to tune in next time. Goodbye.